Okay guys, we're back. If you will take a look in here, you can see that we got a hot mess in here. To get you a little bit better set up where I can see it better. There we go. I mean, look at these wires. They're just chewed up. Rats have just had a field day in here. So this sits in here just like so, okay? There's a little red cap that goes on here. You gotta pop the red cap off. Be very careful. Don't break this, okay? I have no idea if it's going to affect it when I go back together or not. If you do break it, you know, maybe somebody can hit me up on there and tell me how that works. Then you gotta go buy you one of these little kits here. You know, it's got all kinds of different little prongs. And if you will notice, we'll see if we can zoom in here and see. Where's my, yeah, here we go. You find the one I used. Hang on. Here they are. Okay. So I just grabbed one that looked like it might work. And takes a few minutes to find the one. Like now, I gotta find it again. That's it right here. So it looks like that. See it? Okay. So you gotta go in here and tease that little prong out. Watch it move, okay? See if you can watch it move here. See how it moves? Once you pry that back, push forward on the wire. So you'll push forward on it and then pull it out like that, and you get the end. Okay. One of my subscribers mentioned this idea to me because I really didn't know how to do this. I was kind of at my wit's end on what to do, and one of my subscribers mentioned this would be a good idea for me to try to learn. So here we are. This happens to be the smallest piece of shrink wrap I got that will fit over the wire. So let's see if it works. Is it going to work? I don't know. Let's just see. Would you look at that? Huh? Look at that. Thank you to the anonymous subscriber that told me this idea. I didn't think it was going to work. Honestly, I didn't give it no hope. Huh. So now let's see if we can push it back in there. It's supposed to just slide right on in. Look at that. Bam. It slid right on in. Okay. Next wire is this red one here. See how it moves? Can you see that? Can you see that movement in it? Yep, okay. So this is kind of tricky, and then we'll see if I can get this on camera. You gotta be gifted with the hands, okay? So you grab it like this, and I'm pushing forward on the wire. I go in here, I slide my little tool in, and bam. Just like so, there it is. Guys, if I can do this, anybody can do this. I mean, this kit cost, I don't know, I think I caught it on sale on the Jungle website for like, it was something like $12, man. I mean, it was cheap. It was way cheaper than what I needed. I mean, you know, what I was going to use it for. So I just measured up. We're going to need a whole piece for this one. So, wrong side. Wrong size, I mean. You got to find a size that'll fit over your fitting, which is that. By the way, I just kind of bought me a kit I've had for a long time. It comes with pre-cut pieces. You know, there's the name of it. If you want to see it. It comes with pre-cut pieces. I use it for all my wiring stuff. Never thought it would be in this kind of handiness right here. Now, where'd I put that daggum cigarette lighter? There it is. See what happens when you get old, guys? You forget stuff. What's on me? Look at that. Bam. That's so awesome. I'm going to tell you what. We're just going to call that guy Gary. I don't know his name, you know. But Gary, thank you. Like I said, I don't know. That's what his name is. So, you know who you are. You watch my channel. Slide it back in. Click. You hear the click? Yep, there's the click. Okay. This is a bad wire. You see this dude right here? Them rats went after it with this one. Whew. I think that's the clicker thingy right there. Oh, you can't see it. Okay. You see that little thing right there? I think that's the clicker thingy. So, let's go in here. Okay, I think that's it. So, let's go up in here. We got the pressure off it. I don't know if you can see or not. There we are. That one you got to give like a little bit of a twist too. Yeah, it takes a little twist on that one. Whew. Man, that one right there is ate up, ain't it? Hope I can get my shrink wrap over this one. Nope. That's going to be too big. I don't know. If it anything, it'll protect it from touching. We're going to hope that's going to shrink down. We don't know. Let's find out. Well, let's just see here. Well, it's just going to have to work. Yep. It's just going to have to work. So, let's turn y'all back around some. I got a new little stand here, and it's just kind of barely doing its job here. I'm going to put some tape on this. I'm going to come back. There's that one. Let me see if I can't. It's as small as it's going to get. Okay. What about this one? This one ain't chewed up. I can't believe that. Okay, so there's one done. Right there. One of them's done. Okay. Slide up and out of the way. Ooh-wee. Wow, at that one. Oh, yeah. Look at that. Okay, so I don't know what that's for, but it's there. And I saved that clip. I can't believe that. So if you'll take a look in here, I don't know. Looks like right there. Right there. There's a tab. Let's go back to my handy dandy little set here. And other set, yeah. Let's try that one out there first. So we're gonna take the wire, push it forward. There it is. Look at that. Yep. Now, get this tape off of here. This tape is from '91, so yeah, it's been on here a while. It's got some chew marks there. I might not have enough shrink wrap for this one. Okay, so this one's only got a little bit right up here, but y'all see the problem. That's got a big old clip. Hey, y'all here? Okay, good. So I don't have any electrical tape on me. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to slide some of this over it. Because it's, you know, it is what it is. This is some rubber tape. It's designed for sports injuries. We're going to see what happens here. We've already got the insulation down right here. We just want something to keep it on here. I think this will work. There it is. So that little tab in there has got to go in that slot. Bam. Look at that. Tape fits in there and everything. Looks like a professional worked on it. Don't y'all think? I mean, professional right here. So let's find my kit again. This one up here. Y'all need to, y'all can see this, can't you? Bam. There's that one. Now this one, I don't know about this one. Look at that. It goes all the way down to here. You see it? It's all of that. Well, this piece fit over it. Oh, no. We're going to have to go with one of these big boys here. Okay. Let's go ahead and, well, come on now. This new thing I got here, this shit doesn't want to work right. Let's see if we can tighten this up. I ain't liking this new camera holder of mine here. So okay. Okay. It's the best that's going to get. Okay. Now, slot another one over here. There's that one. And now we need another little sliver of a piece to go right there. Right here at the very tip. Okay. There we go. That was a whole lot easier than I thought it was going to be. Okay. Now, my suggestion would be not to just go crazy and go up in here and start just unclipping stuff, because, well, that's not going to work out very well. My suggestion would be do like I did. Take it one step at a time. Now, I can't fix that one yet, because if y'all recall, man, this camera holder is just horrible. That's where the fuel pump's hooked up to. So this right here I can't do yet, because that's where the that's where the fuel pump is hooked to. So we gotta leave that one bare for right now. No more wires on there seem to be boogered up. Whew. Wow. Okay. That one's a hot mess. Ooh-wee. Can y'all see that one? Yeah. Okay. Well, there's that. So y'all get the gist. I gotta undo this and pull all this off, and yeah, it's gonna take a while. So we're gonna kind of stop the video here. Y'all kind of get the gist of what's going on, how to do this. Thanks to, like I said, we're going to say, thanks to the subscriber who suggested this idea. I'm loving it. It really helped me out a lot. Besides my little engineering trick I had to do right here, as y'all can see over here in this, well, y'all can't see over in this corner. My little engineering trick over here with the tape. Other than that, was all pretty much self-explanatory. I got to get this, and that's just an OBD1 port, which doesn't even work on these. So that's kind of a mute point there. I got to make something one day to hold all this stuff together. Yep. But other than this wire, this harness right here, we taking care of the rat chewing. Okay, man, like and subscribe, y'all don't mind. The more y'all like and subscribe, the more people sees my content here, and it gets out to the masses. So if y'all like what y'all see, share it to somebody, let them see it. LSD Garage out.